Knowing spiritual truth does not remove the need for us to go through the human process. It walks through it with you. This is episode 4 of the Breadcrumbs series. There is no loss. I want to be honest with you. This is not a episode that's going to tell you that there's one secret meditation, and if you do that, the sky is going to open up and everything's going to be wonderful. It doesn't work like that. When you are facing tremendous loss and challenge, you still have to take the human steps. I have been in the place that this episode lives. If you've lost your home and you own a car, you might have to live in your car. If you don't have a car, but you have a phone, you need to use it to find resources. If you don't have a phone and you can get to a library, there's resources for you there. You will have to do what you can with whatever it is that you have. The spiritual practice does not replace the human work. It accompanies it. It holds your hand through it. And as you keep taking the steps, both spiritual and human, the path becomes clearer. The provision arrives, often grander than you could have ever imagined. Take the next step, and then the next. The universe is walking alongside you. Follow these breadcrumbs back to peace.